guys, you know who it is. It's your boy, Alex Audio Tech, here with the TNG. Bought it at Walmart right now for like $48. No, $36, sorry. $48 with the microphone, $36 without the microphone because it is a karaoke. So it's called the TG411. I guess that's the model number. And then it's from TNG, portable wireless speaker. Then down here we see it's USB type C, reverse charging USB type A, memory card slot. I guess that's the line input. That's for the microphone. TWS, which a lot of people ask me if other speakers have that. And then it says power right here, okay? So then right here we can see RGB lights. That's what I'm trying to say. You guys don't dislike it. And then we got the TWS, long battery life, and USB Type-C to charge again. Then here goes the back of the box. And here goes the other side. Oh, I would love to have it in camouflage. But Amazon doesn't carry in camouflage. I would love to have it in camouflage, though. Thing looks nice. So let me see what we got here. Bring this a little bit closer. Yeah, this is way too small for my eyes. I know it says 4,000 milliamp battery right there. Yeah, 4,000 milliamp battery. And some other stuff. But this stuff is like, this print is really, really small. Jesus. My age is really catching up to me. Wow. I used to be able to see this with no problem. Well, anyway, I just woke up, so my eyes are still like trying to autofocus on things. Woke up like 20 minutes ago. And the speaker was delivered like 5 minutes ago. Shout out to FedEx for that. And I ordered this like a little bit ago. Like, when did I order this speaker? Wednesday? Yeah, and they got here Saturday, so it got here pretty fast. So let's open up this bad boy. I know I'm unboxing it backwards. So what's in the box? The speaker. We have a strap, carry strap, as you guys can see here. We have your aux cable for the people that love the aux cable. And we got the USB Type A to Type C reverse charging cable, okay? And let me bring this down some. Right here. Here we go. We got the speaker. It is a relatively small speaker. Here we go. This is it right here. So it says TNG. It has the branding. We got the down volume, up volume. I guess this is play. It looks like a Christmas tree. It looks like a Christmas tree. That's crazy. And then the power button. And I guess this is the M/light show. Okay, button. Then we got speaker on the top. Then right here, it tells you what's in the back. Okay, then we got the big flap. Okay, so we got the USB Type-C to charge it, USB Type-A for reverse charging, and micro SD card slot. And then back here, we have the aux cable. So I don't see no input for a mic cord. So I'm guessing the little speakers, the little microphone this comes with are like synced automatically to it. But I didn't care for that. It would have only been like $10 more though, I ain't gonna lie. It was $48 with the microphones, and I chose not to do it. I paid $36. So roughly like around $10 and $11 more, but I didn't really care for the microphones. So, let's get this bad boy powered. So here we go. We got the passive radiators on the sides. And let's see if this had. Here we go.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh shit! Yo, and it copied off the sound of the JBL. You know the JBL goes to. Definitely copied off the JBL. No doubts about that. So anyway, let's pair it to my iPhone 15 Pro. Give me a second, guys. I'm looking for Bluetooth on here. And like I said, I just woke up not too long ago. Okay, so it comes out as, yeah, like the box said, TG417.
Bluetooth connected.
And it talks. Okay. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna talk too when it runs out of juice. It's gonna be talking. They'll be like, low battery, low battery. So let's go here, non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. Oh my God, I got out of it. Here we go. Let's start with the new songs. And YouTube, all these, look at the name of the channel. Non-copyright sound. So why you guys keep making me go through this every time I put up a video? None of these songs, look at the name of the channel. YouTube, non-copyright sound. All this music is copyright free. See? Copyright free. Stop doing that to me, man. Let's go all the way up, guys. This is halfway. Okay, so the little speaker is 40 watts. It doesn't hit hard. It's kind of like on the lower end. I'm pretty sure if I play copyrighted music, it's gonna be even louder. But right off the back on non-copyrighted music, it's not as loud. I still like it though. It got a nice bass. And no, there's no bass button. Yeah, it's only the light show up and down. It is. It's as high as it can go. So, pretty nice. Let's go to the next song.
Talk to me. Why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press the start.
Something is obviously bothering you. Suddenly you're Mr. Distant.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press the start.
Oh, and good luck with your buddy in the Mercedes.
So yeah, man, as a gift for your kid, for your grandpa, for your mom, for your grandfather, I think is a great gift, guys. I really do think it's a great gift. It's not as loud. I'm pretty sure in copyrighted music it's gonna sound louder. I don't feel like editing the video though. I'll let you guys know when I do the review on the speaker how loud it is in non-copyrighted music. Let's go to the next song. Next song.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself for my mistakes. I'm only human. from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only a human. Some days it's hard to move on. I'm only human.
So yeah, like I said, it's a great gift if you don't want your kids driving you crazy with super loud music. If you know you don't care about having super loud music, but like I said, once again, I'm gonna repeat this because most of the time these speakers like this that don't sound loud and non-copyrighted music, when I play copyrighted music from YouTube music, it sounds way louder. So I'm impressed. This is a super cheap brand. I remember I got one of these, and I think it's the same brand, yeah, TNG. On no, I'm sorry, it's not TNG, it's some other brand. I returned it back to Amazon. The speaker was garbage. It was smaller than this, and they wanted $60 for it. So it's just like super garbage. So I told, I shipped it back, and Amazon gave me my $60 back because there's speaker brands that are super garbage, and this one sounds decent, man. I'm impressed. The bass is good. The clarity is good. Usually when I get one of these little knockoff brands, little cheap brands from anywhere, no matter if it's from TikTok, from Amazon, from AliExpress, or, wherever I get it from, even if it's at a little store, they sound horrible. They sound like the speakers are blown out. So I'm really impressed with the quality of the sound of this little cheap speakers, what I'm trying to say, guys. And if I sound like this, it's because, like I said, I woke up like 30 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to wake up. Because I take sleeping medicine, guys, to go to sleep. So the sleeping medicine is probably still in me. I don't want nobody thinking that I smoke some reefer and I'm high. No, it's my sleeping meds. But anyway, like I said, I'm just impressed with the quality of the sound. And, it's just nice. Really, 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 really nice. I'm impressed. So let's keep going. And by the end of the video, I'll let you know if it's still, worth buying, baby. For the price, definitely. But yeah, let's go on. I'll drop the affiliate, the link, the Walmart link in the bottom comment section, pick down below. like I said, it sounds good for the price. You can't really complain too much for the price. Not even joking, I'm being dead serious. So now let's play the next song. Did I just play this song? No, I Another great thing about the speaker, you could give it to your grandfather, your grandmother. This thing is light. Probably weighs like 1 pound, that's it. You know what I'm saying? It's not a really heavy speaker. Does it have some heft to it? Yeah, you got the straps. But to me, this is light compared to all the big speakers I got. Yeah, definitely light. Lighter than every other speaker I got. Tell you for that matter. Let's go to the next song. Hold on, guys. My friend is calling me. Yo. Aquí, ¿qué pasa? ¿Por qué? ¿Qué pasó? Yeah, yeah. Sí, yo voy para allá. Sí, ¿qué hora es? Son las 4. Yeah. Está bien. Ok. Jesus. Yeah, nice. I gotta go on to work earlier, guys. I thought I was gonna have to go to work at 8. Now I gotta be there at 6. So I gotta hurry up with this video because it's already 4:08, so I can get something to eat and do other things I gotta do before going into work. So yeah, that was the call. So let's go to the next song, guys.
Maybe I'm an alien. Must be something heaven said.
See, on this song it sounds loud.
Payback for the love I spent. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gonna stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Pretty close to heaven now. Moments of euphoria. I am never coming down. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gonna stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Euphoria.
long, like super long video that's like 20, 30 minutes, 31 minutes long, and I'm playing that. Next time I'll do something like that. Pick a video with different songs and just have it ride all the way and just pause it whenever I want to talk. But other than that, guys, we've reached the end of the video. Sorry for stopping the music, but I gotta pick up the phone call from my boy. He's the one with the direct connection to my boss, and my boss called him and told him that my other security officer friend didn't go to work. He's supposed to be there at 6, and he said he couldn't make it, so now I gotta be there at 6. So it's not like I'm not getting paid more money, because he is. He said, I'll give you more money, just please show up at 6. So I told my boss, tell the boss, all right, I'll be there. So anyway, so yeah, I work at bars. So this is like a bar/club. So I gotta be there at 6, because, you know, people start getting drunk early. It's open at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and people start getting crazy. So when they see security, they know how to calm down. So anyway, great speaker. I mean, it doesn't need to be the loudest. You know, the bass, I felt it in certain songs. It doesn't have a bass up button. This is one of the first speakers that I buy from this brand that really like blows me away, to be completely honest. And in the comment section pinned down below, it's not an affiliate link, but it is a link to purchase the speaker. I got another one that's coming next week. Well, this week coming up. Yeah, this week coming up. Well, still next week, because we're only Saturday. So next Wednesday, I'll be having another speaker, and we'll be unboxing it together, seeing how it sounds. It's 60 watts. It's really affordable. But, you know, when the unboxing comes, I'll drop that Walmart link, and I'm gonna see if they got an associates program from Walmart. Seriously, because I'll be recommending a lot of their speakers and putting their links, and I'm not getting nothing out of it. So I'm out to see, because, you know, I'm not monetized on this channel yet. So I'm out to see what I got to do. I might call the customer care and be like, look up my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber, and I want affiliate links, because I purchase speakers from you guys. I unbox them and review them on YouTube. And I would love to have an affiliate link just instead of a regular link. But yeah, guys, I'm going to shoot that regular link in the comment section down below. Take care. God bless and be safe. Thank you for all the new subscribers, all the likes, all the comments. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You already, and thank you for watching.